17.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 18.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 19.
You don't know me, son.
Yeah. 20. You got some more in you. 21. Yeah. Get it again. Come on. We want to see it. Good. 22.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the balls?
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
Ronnie Coleman's daily routine was so intense that the average guy today would cry. Ronnie woke up every day at 4 to 5 a.m. to do a 60-minute cardio session. After finishing his morning cardio, he would work as a police officer for a full 8-hour shift. He worked at Arlington, Texas, where the weather was scorching hot, but he was not fazed at all. Once he got back from his shift, he would undergo an extremely intense workout. Unlike every other bodybuilder, Ronnie would always go heavy and had godly amounts of strength. And throughout this whole time, he would be dieting 24/7. He also had a herniated disc and would suffer from chronic pain all day.
3 days a week of resistance training and train your legs, guys, come on. 3 days a week of some cardiovascular work. I think 1 day a week you take a long, slow jog or pedal on the bike or treadmill or swim. The other cardio day, sprint for 30 seconds to 45 seconds, then walk back for a minute to 90 seconds, sprint again, do that 5 to 10 times. And then another day, do something fun. Could be basketball, could be skateboarding, like something that you enjoy.